countdown. Please exit.
Nice.
For your home security. In just a few minutes, you can install it anywhere in your home. It's just that simple. With a 4.3-inch touchscreen, just a light touch, the system is armed in an instant. Bring complete protection to your home. And 200 accessories can be added. When a burglar triggers the alarm, the 120 decibel siren will scare him off, and you'll be the first to know wherever you are. What's more, you can easily remote control through app. Alexa or Google Assistant voice control is also supported.
Nice.